Hello guys, and welcome to this video where I'm going to be showing you how to use Canva new video editing features. So the first thing you have to do is to go into your Canva app or website and click on the video section to see all. Then it will bring you different type of templates that you can customize. You can let's say I want to create a TikTok video with 9:16 ratio, landscape portrait ratio, or click on it, and then it should bring you to a page similar to this one with customizable templates by the left and the video features on the bottom. So now you can proceed to add various things you want to add in the template section. If you want to just customize a particular template, that is okay. Let's say I want to create a nature clip. I'll click on it, and then I can play it to just see how it is, and then I can add more elements to it. I can add a frame, I can add music, audio, I can also add logo, arrow. So but for the features, this is how we can get them. On this place, on the video itself below here, we can click on editing. Okay, no, we can animate or shift the position here. Good. Yeah, this is what I wanted to get. So we can edit, we can cut or trim, we can remove the background. This is for audio, to remove play. So we can enhance the voice if it's a voiceover and there are disturbances like background noises. We can enhance the audio to remove background noise. We can also change the background color. We can flip it, we can crop it, we can change the transparency and reduce it to good. So this is, we can also animate it if we want, but this will be good if you want it to. So let me add it, let me replace it. So you can also add more pages and add various clips there, so it will be a full video. And once you're done, you can send it or download it to your PC, and that is how to create and use the new video features on Canva. Thank you very much, and do have a great day.